This is coming from the comparing GMV and Flex controllers, oversizing multi-zone and multi-pro unit video. Looks like we covered a lot in that video. User by the name of Jason Moriarty 3496. Does the Fresh Air Kit work with any other multi-head configuration models? Also, you mentioned you did other presentations on the Fresh Air Kit. Can you please link to those? I believe we could probably provide a link, but do the Fresh Air Kits work with any other multi-head configuration models? Do they work with anything other than the Invo indoor unit?
No, they're specifically for the Invo, and we have a manual for that Fresh Air Kit on our website under the Invo section. And if you look in there, it gives you the compatible models. Of course, all of those are just the Invos, and that's it. That's the only unit that was designed for that Fresh Air Kit.
Right, and I believe we have that pulled up on the screen if we want to show that. If we go to products and then Invo R32, that is our product page. And if you scroll down, as always, the documentation will be located further down. If you go a little bit further down on that, so under the single Invo R32 documents tab, we've got the manuals, and then under manuals, if you click manuals, so there we go. Click that. We should be able to scroll down, and we should have there it is right there, the Fresh Air Kit for the Invo. And if you click that PDF, it opens up the PDF and the information for that Fresh Air Kit. There we go. So all of the information on the TL, it's got quite a bit of a number after that, but all the information on that TL can be found in that manual there. So installation and other information about that. And that is compatible with the ENV 09, 12, 18, and 24, as you can see there where it says compatible with.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/GREE-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.